Hello everyone. Do you want to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without using a computer? Today, I will guide you through a new method using Esign to sideload apps directly onto your iOS device. So now let's get started. First, open Safari on your iOS device and navigate to the official Esign website. Download the Esign app by tapping the download link and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Once installed, go to Settings, General, and Device Management, and trust the eSign developer profile to allow the app to run. Now next, acquire the IPA file of the app you wish to install. Ensure you download it from a reputable source to avoid security risks. Once downloaded, save the IPA file to your iCloud Drive or any accessible location on your device. Now open the eSign app and tap on the Import button. Navigate to the location where you saved the IPA file and select it. The file now will appear in eSign's list of imported files. Now tap on the imported IPA file within eSign, then select the Sign option. eSign will prompt you to enter your Apple ID credentials. This is necessary for code signing the app. Rest assured your credentials are used solely for this purpose. Now once the signing process is complete, tap on the signed IPA file and select Install. eSign will prompt you to confirm the installation. After confirming, the app will be installed on your device. You may need to go to Settings, General, Device Management to trust the developer profile associated with your Apple ID. Now after the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen and launch it to ensure it is working properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to use eSign to install IPA files directly onto your iPhone or iPad without the need for a PC. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.